Hello viewers. So today I decided to fry an egg because recently I got married and suddenly realized that one thing I can cook is frying egg. So I thought, why not helping others who are also like me? Let's see what are the ingredients that you'll be needing for frying an egg. At first, we need one egg, which I have right here. And then we need, so here actually I am frying an egg with onion and chili, which is very common in Bangladesh. So I have some onion chopped here. And then finally I have some chili, little bit of oil and salt. At first we will take the spoon and then get some onion into the egg. So you will be taking the amount you will like to eat, and then we'll be taking this chopped chilies. This is also based on your taste actually. And then we'll be needing some salt. Yeah, I think that's enough. And now you will have to stir it really well. And finally now we have to fry. So now I have a fry pan which is hot and I'll put some oil in it. I'm using olive oil here. You can use whatever oil you usually use while cooking. As the pan is hot, I'll put the egg in it. And then you have to change the side. It actually takes like 1 minute maybe to fry. And this is the final look of our fried egg. Thank you for watching.